So this is just a simple way you can paint a palm tree. So I've just started with the darker side. I think it's some raw umber, so I'm just doing the shadowy side of the trunk. And I'm just gradually building up some lighter colours onto the other side. Just to catch the light down that other side of the trunk. I'm laying the paint quite thick so it kind of goes over the background nice and easily. So I'm just starting with some, I think it's a sap green. We're just starting with the leaves. Branches, just doing them first spines. Just building up that shape of the tree, where they're going to hang. And I'm just working in some strands just to build up the branches and the leaves. I think I'm using several different shades of green. I'm just starting with one, then gradually adding the others. Just going a bit thicker with the brush in certain places just to build a little bit of shadow. We've got the light coming from the right side, so a little bit shadier just in certain spots on the left, and then catching a bit more light from the right. Just building up the branches. So I haven't done any layering or anything. This is literally just all wet paint. Kind of a quicker method. almost blocking it in a little bit really with that first shade of green. Just capturing that shape of the palm. Got a nice overhanging tree just in the corner. Just building up a little bit of darker green in the darker areas, just away from the light, and then building up the lighter sides from the right side where the sun's coming from. Just adding in some highlights. Just a bit of shine on the leaves. I'm adding some yellow in as well, just to capture that colour of the palm in places. Just brings out his character a bit. Using a light touch just to lay the paint delicately in between each, just to build up that shape. Being careful also not to disturb the other colours around it, because obviously it's all still wet, so just a light touch. Just adding in those yellow highlights. just capturing the light from that side of the tree. Got some nice bit of colouring going on, some nice contrast. Just maintaining those spines running down the branches, just those middle parts. Just working the brush all the time in the same direction as I want the leaves to go, just to build up that effect, the shape of the palm, just the structure, how it looks. Just a few little highlights, just where we're capturing the light. just blending in a few of those colours on the trunk there. Hope you found this video useful. Until next time.